Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with OpenSea Marketplace. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in opensea.com and then press enter. This will now take you into the official website for OpenSea. Now in order to sign up and create a new account, you will need to click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Profile. Now in order to continue with your account, you will need to connect with your wallet. So go ahead and select any wallet. One of the most popular one is MetaMask. If you simply click on it, you will be taken into the installation screen for the MetaMask extension for your web browser. Simply click on the Add button and then click on Add Extension. This will then begin the download of your wallet extension. Once it is installed, you will be taken into the MetaMask web page. Simply click on I agree and then click on Create a new wallet. Now just scroll down and agree with the terms and conditions, and now you will be allowed to create a new password. Just go ahead and type in your password and then type it in once again to confirm it. Then once again agree with the terms and conditions and click on Create New Wallet. You will then be shown an instructional video about securing your wallet. If you have never used a secure phrase or recovery phrase before, then make sure you watch this video first. You can click on Rewind later to skip this for now, or click on Secure My Wallet to proceed with securing your passphrase. You will now be asked to save your secret recovery phrase. Simply click on the Reveal button underneath your recovery phrase and then you will be shown your secret recovery phrase. You can also click on Copy to Clipboard and then you will be able to copy your recovery phrase to save it for later use. Make sure to save it somewhere safe and then click on the Next button. You will now be asked to confirm your recovery phrase by entering the missing words. Just type in the missing words and tap on the Confirm button, and now your wallet has successfully been created. You can click on the Got It button and you will now be asked to pin the MetaMask to your extension browser page. You can follow this instruction or click on the Next button, and now you can click on Connect Wallet and choose MetaMask to sign up to your account on OpenSea. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on OpenSea. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.